Hello folks, I'm here in Scarborough, technically City of Toronto. I'm here at the Morningside Park. Not sure what the exact name is. Let me see the plaque here. By the way, all the parking's free, as you can see here. It's all free here. Free is good. So this is, what does this say? It says camp up the Crooked Creek. Okay. Maybe I'll take a screenshot and show it to you now. But yeah, this is a part of the park here. Picnic area to rest for large groups. I think that's a rest station right there, or a restroom. This park is primarily just forest and trails. Let's see here. Construction here. What does it say? So this is technically the Highland Creek Trail. So I'm here where the yellow is. That is up there is the hospital. Maybe I can find a way up there. I'm not going to walk everything. I'm just going to walk a little bit. Let's see here. I'm going to walk. There's no entry here. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to walk this way. It's actually very beautiful here. Look at this. Wow. A forest in the middle of the urban jungle of Scarborough. Actually, Scarborough has lots of parks. People don't realize that. There's tons of parks in Scarborough. They think it's all just neighborhoods and shopping districts. No, there's a lot of parks. Just have to look for them. Just go through my channel and you'll see a lot of the parks I went through already. So I went down there. That's the parking over there. That's the final. Actually, that's the end of the road. In this parking is the end of this road. The road that you saw over there was for emergency vehicles only, and city vehicles only. The date is September 6th, 2023. Ooh, there's a path here. Should I take it? Should I take it? Let's take it. If I see a fox or a bear, I'll run. Well, the foxes are not that scary. It's the bears. Actually, this is nice. This is brand new. Looks newly paved or newly constructed path. Will he meet a dangerous animal? Keep watching the video. Maybe, maybe not. Actually, this is a beautiful area. Wow. These trees are old. Actually, let me pause the video for a second. I'll get back to you. I see deer. Let's see if I can get closer. I had to take out my cell phone for this one. Sorry, I had to get my keys out of my other pocket. There he is. A wild deer in Scarborough. It's like a female deer. Yeah, female deer. I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm gonna go back to my car. It's getting hot. But yeah, good spotting at red deer. The deer's over there. And there's more pathway, but I'm not gonna do it. This is a huge park. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of it like this. Basically by yourself here. It's all forest. Untouched by man. Let's see if I can zoom in on the deer again. Do I see him? There he is. I see him. Her. It's a her. So let's go back, zoom out. Okay, let's head back to the car. I suggest going in groups. Don't go by yourself. You could get lost easily if you don't know your way. The mosquitoes are coming out too. They're biting me right now. Just to think a couple months, maybe 2 months, this whole place would be under snow. Lots of snow and ice. Enjoy the good weather while you can, right? There's another pathway up there, but I'm not going to go up there. No need to. This is the reason why I do videos outside of Toronto, because the GTA, because inside Toronto, the GTA is craziness. It's just crazy with traffic, people, everything, right? Here, outside of GTA, look at this. You're basically by yourself. People should visit parks outside GTA because it calms you down. It's more relaxing. More nurturing, nourishing, whatever you call it, nature, whatever that word is. Oh, there's a map here. Let me see this map. There's a map here. Yeah, I can't. Can I zoom in? Let's see here. There we go. So yeah, that's a quick tour of the Morningside Park. I forgot the name of the actual name of this park, but as you can see, it's mostly forest. Beautiful forest. A lot of hills and trails and animals. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.